Hello, I'm Ken Moraif, and this is our weekly market alert video for the week ended February 14th, 2020. And of course, Friday is Valentine's Day, so I hope that you are getting all the love that you should be getting, and maybe even more than that, and that you're dispensing it as well. So happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Last week was a good week. The market was up, but not much really to report in terms of economic or political news. And generally speaking, what happens is that when there is not a lot of bad political or financial news, investors feel better, and so they tend to invest, and that causes the market to go up in many cases, and last week seems to be that. Now, there was news coming out of China with regard to the coronavirus, and that is that apparently they have been miscounting a little bit or weren't properly applying the numbers to how many people have the virus. And that number, with their new way of calculating it, which they say is now more accurate, dramatically increased the number of people that have the coronavirus. And so, of course, that's creating concerns as to the validity of the data we've been getting out of China all along. And is this worse than we think it is, et cetera. So at this point, we still believe that the coronavirus will be an epidemic. It'll be contained, will not get out of hand. If it gets out of hand, it becomes what's called a pandemic. And pandemics are where, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people are dying. If that happens, economies can shut down, recessions can happen, bear markets can come from that. And of course, the tragedy of human loss as well. And so all of those things are still possible. We're not discounting those completely, but we give it a low probability. And so therefore, the uncertainty will still be there. There'll be times when maybe news comes out that causes people to sell or become concerned, but we don't see this as being a cause for us to reach our sell signal and get out and do all that. So for now, we're still hanging tight. We see the Dow hitting 31,000 still. So this is right now a lull in the action, if you will, and an opportunity if you're considering investing. We see this as an opportunity for you. Now, always we have our invest and protect strategy in place. We want you to have the peace of mind about that because we always want to look at the potential of a downside and how can we protect you from that. We want your money to last as long as you do, and we want to worry about this stuff so that you don't have to and you have financial peace of mind. And if we can do that for you, then we're very, very happy, and we hope we are. Now, one of the things I want to encourage you to do is to share this video with friends and business associates and others. We would love to be introduced to them if you are so inclined, and we'd love to help as many of your family and friends as we possibly can. So please share this video with them. In the meantime, like I said, not much to report other than the Chinese numbers were a little low in the past and way higher now, but still same forecast. Dow 31,000, coronavirus slowly coming under control. And so that's where we are. We wish you all a fantastic weekend. We hope you are having all the love that you possibly can handle, and you are dispensing all the love that you could possibly give, and that all is well with you. So thank you, and we'll talk soon.